Are you getting tired of selecting your language when you log into a Joomla site that you're going to work on? I was getting tired too, and then this dawned on me. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 264 here in the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. So work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersoft.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. Yeah, from time to time, I am helping people on Joomla sites that have more than one language installed, and I noticed that I had to keep picking the language that I speak, which is only English. And then I would have to do that every time I log in. But then I realized all I had to do was this. Watch, I'm going to click the French to connect there, but I'm going to go to Users, Manage, go to My User Account, my particular one, and then click on Basic Settings tab. So you got Account Details, Assigned User Groups, and Basic Settings. And then all you have to do is this. Just pick the back end and the front end language that you speak. Now check this out. We'll save and close. We'll log out. It's still showing French, but I don't need to worry about that anymore, because when I click connection, it is all in English. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.